Hello everyone, myself Professor P.T. from the Kikewa College of Agriculture Biotechnology Nashik. Today we will discuss on plant breeders' right. That is the plant breeder rights PBR progress through research. It includes the first of all, what are the breeder rights? The plant breeder rights program was first time established in 1987 under the Plant Variety Rights Act, that is PVR, which was succeeded by the current Plant Breeder Rights Act 1994. The plant breeder rights are also known as plant variety rights, are intellectual property rights granted to the breeder of a new variety of plant. The plant breeder rights are granted to novel plant varieties that are the distinctive, uniform, and stable. Example, cultivar breed true to type for desired traits. The plant breeder rights, what is it? The exclusive commercial rights for a registered variety of a plant. The intellectual property such as patent, trademark, and designs. It protects plant breeders and gives them a commercial monopoly for the period of time. What is the necessary or why importance of plant breeder rights? Allows the breeders to have a return of the investment, protect the breeders' work, stimulate development of new variety. When does it apply? It is the production or multiplication, limit or control the propagation by others, offering for sale, selling or other marketing, exporting from the community, importing from the to the community, and stocking for any purpose mentioned. When does not it apply? When the purpose are private and non-commercial application, only for experimental use, and third one for breeding purpose, discovering and developing other countries or other varieties. The requirements for plant breeder rights is first one, it's a new or commercial novelty, distinct, that is a clearly different from others, that is uniform, that is homogeneous, and stable, that is the unchanged. It is a requirement for plant breeder rights for the variety, novel variety. The rights protected plant breeder rights to commercial seed production, rights for marketing, rights to export and import, then rights to authorizations, then rights to prevent infringement, that is the unauthorized production and marketing of registered variety by other persons amounts to infringement. The key features for plant breeder rights are registration, duration, the registration, duration, then validity, matters cover, requirement, transfer, control, and enforcement. That is the key features to the plant breeder rights. The advantages of plant breeder rights are the protecting breeders' work is the first advantage. Is the protect breeder works. Second one, breeders get benefit of their varieties in the form of money or others. The plant breeder rights helps in faster development of seed industries. That is the third advantage. Then fourth one, the plant breeder rights lead to improvement in the quality because of competition. Then plant breeder rights helps in enrichment of genetic resources. The major disadvantages of plant breeder rights are: first one, it will promote monopoly. It's an important disadvantage. Then it is may lead to increase in prices. There will be reduction in genetic variability. And fourth one, there will be compulsion to purchase fresh seed every year. That is the major disadvantages. Mainly creates or promotes monopoly, then increase in prices, reduction in genetic variability, and the compulsion to the farmers to purchase a free seed everywhere. And major advantages are the protect the breeder works, then direct benefit to the breeder for the variety, helps in faster development in seed industry sector, then improvement quality because competition are there. Very much industries are producing different types of hybrids, different types of variety. Therefore, plant breeder rights is improvement in quality parameters, and farmer gets only pure or quality seeds and enrichment the genetic resources. The plant variety protection, it includes provides legal protection of the plant variety to breeder in the form of plant breeders rights. The effect of plant breeder rights is that prior authorization is required before the material can be used for commercial purpose. The International Union for the Protection of New Varieties of Plants, that is UPOV, that is the international intergovernmental organization based in Geneva, that is located in Switzerland. The mission of UPOV is to provide and promote an effective system of plant variety protection with the aim of encouraging the development of new varieties of plant for the benefit of society. Exemption of plant breeder rights. Breeders' exemptions or breeders' privilege. The legal rights provided to plant breeders to use protected material for further research refers to breeders' exemption. The UPOV Act 1978 provides breeders' exemption. However, the Act 1991 has curtailed this exemption. And second, farmers' exemption or farmers' right. The legal rights that are provided to farmers to save, use, exchange, and share or sell his farm produce of a protected variety are farmers' exemptions. The UPOV Act 1978 provides breeders' exemptions. However, Act 1991 has curtailed these exemptions because UPOV is not expected by the many other countries. That is the main exemptions to breeders and farmers. Then similarities between plant breeders' rights and farmers' right. Here you see the particulars and two difference. First parameter or particular registration and in plant breeder right is essential. Also in farmers' right essential. Duration for trees and vines extent varieties is same in both 18 years and 15 years. Enforcement is also same after registration is applicable. The requirements novelty, distinction, uniformity and stability and in farmers right same as in PBR or plant breeder rights. The validity for the plant breeder rights is country for registration and also same in farmers right in country of registration. The first fact for farmers breeder rights: can farmers save seed? It is not spelled out in the legislation, but it is not prohibited. Can farmers clean grain from PBR protected varieties for the use of seed of their farm? Yes, he can. Can farmers sell or advise for the sale seeds they have produced from grain or PBR protected varieties? No. Then can farmer exchange seeds they have produced from grain of PBR protected varieties? No, do not exchange. The major conclusion from this farmers' right or plant breeder rights is intellectual property rights have assumed central importance throughout the world in the recent past. The intellectual property is the creative work of the human mind. The main motivation for its protection is to encourage creative activities. The contribution of intellectual property to industrial and economic development of the country cannot be exaggerated. This is the major conclusion, and the plant breeder rights is important features from intellectual property. We can protect the variety, we can benefit from the varieties, and likewise the various advantages for the plant breeder rights. But all should keep in mind the variety should be novelty, distinctiveness, uniformity, etc. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel for more updation of videos. Thank you.